What's up, Doc? Hey, Doc, come here. Yeah? Look what I found. Hey, what you found, eh? I found a line. What kind of line did you find? Hey, I saw the line too. Let me go close. Sidewalk ending, eh? I'm going out the street so I can get killed by a car. I think that's not a very smart idea, eh? Well, I don't care. Hey, look, it's Betty, Jerry, and Tim. Hey, Tim. Hey, guys. What are you doing? Oh, so you're walking on the street? But I asked you, what are you doing? Never mind that question. Hey, guys. Hey, wise guy, come over here. What is it? I'm gonna go beside the pylon and eat from the ground. It's okay. Yep. I'm gonna go back on the sidewalk, eh? Okay. Okay, Doc. I'm just giggling. Oh, I'm eating on the floor. There's nothing on the floor. Too safe for poop. Okay, Doc. We're just walking on the street. No, what I mean, Doc?
I gave you
Okay.
that on my head.
You youngsters are do good, eh? Yeah. You know what, Doc? I hate you. What do you say? Nothing, Doc.
Reservation.
Okay. Hope you never said anything good, okay? Okay, bye.
Yes.